Welcome to Antonelli, cones for the connoisseur since 1912, where every cone begins. At Antonelli, we're really proud to make all our cones here in Manchester. We source from the UK or as close as possible using high quality wheat and other carefully selected ingredients. Each mix follows a unique recipe and is mixed with precision, with viscosity checks carried out to maintain consistency. The batter is baked for just over a minute before being rolled and shaped into cones. Specialist machines create thousands of cones per hour. Cones can be dipped, decorated or sleeved for protection and presentation. Every 15 minutes, cones are inspected for size and consistency before being carefully packed in recyclable protective packaging. Packed cones are protectively wrapped, loaded and delivered with care to our customers whilst maintaining the least food miles. Thanks for choosing Antonelli, cones for the connoisseur since 1912.